what we eat now. We eat kanin. Waki eat chips. Now he's eating. What's that, Waki? Waki, what are you eating? What's that?
Tinapay?
Correct. After eating rice, eat bread. Dito kami sa kitchen. Dito kami kumakain. Tita Pen. Walang kuryente sa Kogyo.
Kamukhang natin. Kako. Hindi ako yan. Hindi mo.
Ikaw yan. Waking yan. Waking.
Ha?
Oh, boy yan eh, boy.
4.
Boy.
1, 2, 3,